and then you pull it apart. Okay, that went well. Welcome to our cooking show. This is Harper, and this is Theo. This is a cooking show where we take a box mix, throw in some sprinkles, and call it a day. One of my favorite things about the holidays is traditions, and one of the things that my mom always did with us growing up was bake through this season. So today I'm gonna bake with these guys. We are doing these little reindeer. I was a proper mother and went on Pinterest and found a great little recipe that's easy for kids, and we are gonna bake that today. First, you're gonna take your peanut butter cookie mix out of this fancy bag and add the batter into the bowl. Add your vegetable oil and crack a couple eggs and then mix it all together. Then preheat the oven to 375, and while that's getting warmed up, roll the batter into little balls. Place them onto a cookie sheet and also add little crisscross lines with a fork for that little detail on top. When that's done, place them into the oven for 8 minutes. Once you pull them out, while they're still a little soft, place the antlers, eyes, and nose to create your reindeer. So those are our steps for creating our reindeer cookies, no matter how they end up looking, and everyone gets to have their own creative flair. It's one of the things that I love to do, to spend time with them and bring a little bit of the holidays into our house. What are some of your traditions that you love to do in your home? Do you want to try? You're making a good call. So we have a lot of round balls ready to be reindeer. Little jiggle, little jiggle. Yep, stand up straight to do it, stand up straight to do it. Oh yeah, look at this hip movement. All right. Oh, what's that move?